Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ishha Sharma. So today I'm going to show you what I bought from Nykaa NewU Hok makeup. So if you are interested, please keep on watching. Okay, if you are liking this makeup look, इसका makeup look IGTV पे कल या परसों डल जाएगा.
और if you are interested, जाके follow कर सकते हो. You will get to know how I did this makeup.
Okay, मैं बार बार स्क्रीन में देखने वाली हूँ बिकॉज ये ऑटो फोकस ये और फोकस से बहुत जल्दी हट रहा है. So yeah, first I'm gonna show you what I bought from Nykaa. Okay, I never tried sheet masks and जब मैं Nykaa store पे गई वहाँ पे ऑफर चल रहा था कि buy 5 and get 5. So I bought 5 different masks. So I'm gonna show you quickly all of them. First I have is gooseberry papaya for nourished and brightened skin. Then I have lotus flower plus tiger lily for toned brightened skin. Then I have black mud plus aloe vera for purified hydrated skin. Then I have honey plus lavender for calm and glowing skin. Then last I have tea tree plus aloe vera for clear and moisturized skin. Okay, after that I have Laneige lip slipping mask.
People are raving a lot about this product, like best lip mask and all. So मेरे बहुत dry lips हैं. मैंने सोचा let's give it a try.
This is how it looks from inside. You are getting a lot. बहुत टाइम तक चलेगा and I liked it. Next from Nykaa, what I have? Yeah, I have 4 brushes. First one I have is from Wet n Wild. It's a blush brush. This is how it looks. Next I have 3 brushes from Pro Art. Okay, first is a Pro Art shadow blending brush PE22. Then I have concealer buffer brush PF08. Okay, last I have smudging smoky liner brush PE29. It's a small blending brush for your drop eyes. Then I have pet blenders. This is how they look and this is a cute packet, you know, रख लो आराम से, ट्रैवल के लिए बहुत सही है. So yeah, now I'm gonna show you what I bought from NewU. Okay, first I have foundation from L'Oreal Paris. It's a True Match Super Blendable Foundation and I'm in the shade 3D3W. Haven't tried anything yet, so I can tell you how they are.
I heard like hell about this product.
It's a Maybelline New Instant Age Rewind Eraser Dark Circle Concealer. I have dark circles a lot, so I thought to try this one. So this is how it looks like. Next from NewU I have Mama Earth's Tea Tree Face Hair Mask, and this is how it looks like. There is a huge dabba, but मेरे बाल इतने बड़े हैं, ये बहुत छोटा है उसके लिए. I have Mama Earth Ultralight Indian Sunscreen. Okay, you guys must heard from every YouTuber, every blogger that use this sunscreen. This is amazing. This is amazing. This is amazing. I was like, I want to try this sunscreen now, and it's specially for Indian skin, and it has SPF F50 PA triple plus.
Oh, I forgot to show you Nykaa Brow Cheek Wow Eyebrow Pencil, and I'm in the shade. There's spoolie this side, and this side you will get the product, actual product, and I'm in the shade Cover Cocoa 01. It's a universal color.
After NewU and Nykaa, I have Hok makeup and I bought eyeshadows from them. I have 4 eyeshadows with me. Okay, हॉक मेकअप पे एक डिस्काउंट चल रहा था कि अगर मैं 1300 का कुछ भी रेवोल्यूशन का लूँगी मेकअप रेवोल्यूशन से, सो आई विल गेट आई शेडो फ्री ऑफ वर्थ ₹1050. सो आई वॉज लाइक ले लो. सो जो मैंने 2 आई शेडो पैलेट ली, दैट इज़ रेवोल्यूशन मेकअप रेवोल्यूशन. It's a reloaded red alert. This is how it looks like. It is good for party, you know, you are getting gold colors, pink and some red tones and one white, so it is good for party look. Then I have reloaded marvelous mattes. It has
all the rang biranga color in it. So
जो इसके साथ फ्री आई, that is I love revolution unicorn heart. And when we open this, damn, look at this, these colors are damn amazing. I love them. And you know, look at the pigment, guys. These are boom. Last palette I bought is Wet n Wild Rose in the Air. These are all the shades. Okay, I love Wet n Wild as a brand, so I thought कि मेरे पास एक भी आई शेडो पैलेट नहीं है उनकी, तो मैंने एक आई शेडो पैलेट ले ली. अब बस लिपस्टिक ट्राई करना बाकी रहता है. So that's it what I bought from Nykaa NewU Hok makeup. I will see you in the next video, and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below what kind of videos you want me to make in the future. And if you have tried any of the products, प्लीज़ कमेंट डाउन बिलो हाउ दे आर, सो मुझे एक आइडिया मिल जाए कि वो प्रोडक्ट्स कैसे ताकि मुझे एक आइडिया मिल जाए वो प्रोडक्ट कैसे थे, ताकि आई विल सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. टिल देन टेक केयर, बाय बाय.